Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sita Asari. My student number is 112 from class B. Today I will explain the critical review The Devil All the Time movie. The first is introduction. The Devil All the Time is an adaptation of the novel of the same name by Donald Ray Pollock. This novel specially discusses and traces the two generations between World War II and the Vietnam War. The film released on September 11, 2020. Directed and written by Antonio Campos and produced by Jake Gyllenhaal and Randall Foster. And the second is plot. The Devil All the Time takes the story from the end of World War II to the 1960s. In rural southern Ohio and West Virginia, Arvin Eugene Russell or Tom Holland lived with his parents. Arvin's father, Willard Russell or Bill Skarsgård, is a veteran who has gone through many dark times of war. And meanwhile, his mother, Charlotte Russell or Halle Bennett, suffered from a serious illness. Initially, he was a boy who diligently worshipped, obedient to Christ. However, his demeanor began to change. He had drifted away from God since getting a gun from his father on his birthday. From that day on, he began to dissolve and sink into darkness. Arvin lives in a mysterious and scary environment. Arvin wants to protect the people he cares about from various threats. The city was like a mine on all sides that could explode at any moment. The Devil All the Time itself presents a back and forth flow that explains some of the main characters. And the third is theme. The theme is brought by the film, which Campos has prepared for 5 years, is actually quite heavy. The theme of humanity that grace is also about religion along the way of the film, carrying the psychological thriller genre. And the fourth is the character and the characteristic. Arvin Russell or Tom Holland is a boy who diligently worships, obedient to Christ. However, his demeanor began to change. He had drifted away from God since getting a gun from his father on his birthday. Arvin's father, Willard Russell or Bill Skarsgård, is a veteran who has gone through many dark times of war. And his mother, Charlotte Russell, Halle Bennett, suffered from a serious illness. A dark-hearted priest or Robert Pattinson, a bad-tempered couple, Jason Clarke and Riley Crowe, and a devious police chief, Sebastian Stan. And the next is for the pace film. Start the film relatively slowly. Little by little, the pace and tension of the film will increase. You could say this film includes a slow burn film. Slow burn film itself is a film that builds fear and terror slowly, so the film does not immediately stick the high tension at the beginning of the film. And the last is summary. This film is a good film, although in the early minutes for the film is a bit difficult to understand the plot of the story. After the initial minute pace, I finally understood the plot of the film and followed the film's storyline. The dark side of humanity that is trying to be explored is getting more complete and able to make you more interested in following its religions. This is what each character tries to extract, which can actually give a message to the audience. There is also a minus point. Namely, the point is related to character transfer. Even though it's actually helped quiet a bit by the narrative, sometimes the character moves that are so fast at the beginning can be a little confusing. With so many characters trying to appear in the review of The Devil All at the time, the screen time is a minimal from some characters, and there are also characters that are considered too long for their screen time. And thank you for our explanations. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.